What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am getting on because I just want to do a quick review on the Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly with the Camille Rose Curl Love. I thought I had it up here, but I left it downstairs. A couple of you asked for me to use the Curl Love with this and let you know my thoughts. Well, today I did my hair and I didn't film it because I was in somewhat of a hurry, but these are the results. This is hair that has not really been stretched too much. It's just been styled and dried underneath the dryer. So yeah, so this is it. I will say that I like the combo. I didn't get any flaking. I have on a dark blue shirt. I didn't get any flaking or anything like that. I did stretch it just a little bit on the sides here because again, they don't dry well. And so they were still kind of like shrunken up because they were trying to dry and draw up, but not quite. So I just kind of stretched it a little bit here to make it look a little bit better. It's still not really shaped. But even with that, I didn't get any flaking. So I want to let you know that the hair feels good. It still feels soft, but has a hold to it, and it's definitely flexible, a flexible hold. So I like it, and it looks nice and dark and still healthy right now. So that's great. So if you have the Curl Love, I think this would work well with it, no problem. I am not going to stay on here because what I do want to do is come back tomorrow, which would only be day 2, but I am going to come back tomorrow because I will stretch it tomorrow, be a little bit more made up, and you can kind of see what it looks like when it's actually stretched and shaped a little bit. And I have to go somewhere tomorrow and go out into the elements and everything. So that's why I'm gonna let you see day 2, and then I'll still try to come back possibly on day 4 or something like that so you can see how it held up. But I think it'll hold up just fine. So guys, I know y'all tired of seeing this, but this is a good gel, and I'm glad I picked up some other ones. So this is second day hair that has been stretched using these 2 products. Guys, I am going to say that I love my results. It has shine, it had definition. I have stretched it and I still have a lot of definition, and I still have hold. So this to me is a gel that even though you stretch it, you're still going to get good hold with it. There are some gels that you stretch and it really just kind of stretches out the hair. And although I still have curls, my hair is very soft. You can't necessarily feel the hold, even though you can see the definition and the curls. But this is one where you can actually feel the hold. It's not like a hard crunch or anything, but you definitely can feel the hold and know that your hair is going to last. I wanted to see how this was going to stand up under a really thick and moisturizing leave-in, and it's standing the test of time, okay? Because Camille Rose Curl Love for me is really thick and it is moisturizing. So yeah, I use this. Now, is this what I like to use as a leave-in? Not necessarily. I prefer this as a moisturizer. That's just my preference, but it definitely can be used as a leave-in or a moisturizer. I prefer to use it as a moisturizer. For me, it lasts longer as a moisturizer because I don't have to moisturize my hair on dry hair that often, but when I do, this always works. And I just feel like I just like it better. I just like it better as a moisturizer, but I use it as a leave-in and it worked as a leave-in. So if you have this on hand and you just pick this up, try these 2 together and see how you like them. I believe this Curl Love is glycerin free, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the ingredients on the screen. Don't mark my words, but I think it is. So if that's something that, you know, is a plus for you, then that's great. And then this gel, I don't remember if it has glycerin or not, but I'll put the ingredients of it on the screen as well, and you can see. But even if the gel does have glycerin and this one don't, that's good. That means both products don't, so hopefully your hair won't swell up and things like that. But I haven't had any problem with swelling and stuff really with this gel. Guys, I can't say enough about this gel. I mean, this is the fourth, I think, combo that I've done. Third or fourth combo with this, and it hasn't flaked. It hasn't flaked. It's worked, and it still has the shine and everything. So I like it. I like the gel. And I'm glad I picked up more. So yeah, this is good. I know one of you asked me to try this with the As I Am leave-in. I may do that. I don't know when, because it is getting colder. I am wanting to use a little bit thicker products now, more moisturizing products now. So I don't know when I'll get to that, because that is a little bit thinner, but we'll see. But yeah, these two work. These two work. So just wanted to come on and share that with you guys and let y'all see my hair. Y'all tell me, tell me what you think. I mean, it still has movement and everything like that. So I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. Yeah, guys, those are my thoughts on this combo. And I didn't film it because I was just in a hurry to wash my hair yesterday. I had to get it done, and you guys have seen this before, so I was like, I'm gonna use it. I needed my hair to look good today, and I knew that this was a gel that I could do my hair and it looked great, because I do have somewhere to be. So I wasn't gonna film it, but then when I was like, man, this turned out really good and people did ask for this, I was like, well, let me come on, at least tell them it works. Okay, it works. So yeah, guys, leave down below in the comment section how you feel about this wash and go, how you think it looks. Let us know if you have used this combo and how it worked out for you. And if you haven't, but you've used the gel, let us know what leave-in you've used with it, so we all can learn from you. And guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.